Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasurely Kit Club and Chipboard. What I've got for you is our August kit reveals. As you know, Treasurely Kit Club and Chipboard sells monthly kits. We have 3 monthly kits that I'll be revealing for you today. We also have our own line of laser cut chipboard. So you can check all this out at our website at www.treasurelykit.com. Now let's go ahead and jump into these kits because that's why you're here. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That does include U.S. shipping only. International shipping, we have to charge actual shipping. And the thing about Treasurely Kit Club is if you are invoiced or your payment is by the 1st of the month, your kit ships out by the 1st of the month. There's no waiting till the 5th of the month to go ahead and see the kit. Plus, we send out a subscriber newsletter prior to that, so you see what's in the kit and you have a chance to order extras. So you can subscribe to one kit or all 3 kits or any combination of kits. Now, what's in our scrapbook kit? First off, at Treasurely, we love flowers, so you get tons of flowers. This first set is by Prima Flowers. You get 12 pieces in here. This is from their Magic Love line. It's a nice shade of a bluish green, like a teal color, like a light teal, and it's in several varying hues of that color. Next up, you get another pack of flowers. There's 12 pieces in here. They're like a mauve pink, and you get several varying hues of that in here. And this is from their Nature Lover line, also from Prima. And our last pack of flowers is actually a vine, and I love using vines because you can use this as one whole piece, or you can cut it up and use it as several different pieces. And this is from their Sugar Cookie Christmas line, also from Prima. So from the flowers, you can tell what colors are going to be in our kit. You've also got some little extras in here. I love these. When we get this paper line, they always give us these little extra cut-off pieces that I like to use as layers under my flowers, and they're double-sided. So you can get a few of those little extras. You're also going to get some of these Melissa Francis resins. These are, doesn't say what they're from, but they're resins, little trinkets. I love these. You're also going to get some doilies, some paper doilies, about 4 of these paper doilies. I love using these to layer under photos as well. Sometimes I'll cut them in half, and these have like little rose details on them. Let's see if you can see that. So you'll get those. You're also going to get some Lindy's embossing powder in the shade Desert Moon Turquoise. And you're going to get some of Treasurely's laser cut chipboard. You're going to get this nice little border piece. This is like 11.5 inches long, and I like these pieces because you can cut these. You can cut this in half and use it as 2 separate pieces. There's lots of places you can cut it. You can cut like the edges off and use that too. So I like the long border pieces. And again, this is our own, and this can be found in the store. If you visit our blog on reveal day, there will be a link to this piece. Or you can just go to our website at www.treasurelykits.com, and you can click on shop under chipboard. Under borders, you will find this piece. We've also got some more pieces. This is the Junk Journal Extra Set. This coordinates with our papers for this month, and we do have international papers. At Treasurely, we like to include international papers, those things that are hard to get in the U.S. That's kind of what makes us different. We do spotlight U.S. retailers as well, but a lot of times we do the international papers. And we've got Craft O'Clock. Again, we use them quite a bit. They have some really pretty papers, but this is their junk journal set, so you can use this as a completely separate project by cutting all this out and putting together your own little junk journal, because they give you all the pieces. This is one-sided, or you can use this on a layout itself. You can use individual pieces. I love the little tickets and banners that you get, and these little pockets would be nice on a layout to have interactive pieces, or these little file folders to have behind your photo and slip something behind that. and then you've got some sayings, and then just a nice little kind of like extra small sheet of paper. And that one is double-sided, as well as the file folder, so that one's double-sided, and these library pockets are double-sided as well. So you've got those sheets in there as extras. And then you've got another little cutout sheet that's got some smaller tickets. You've got some flowers, you've got some tags, and you've got some leaves. But we're all here for the paper. The embellishments I love, but let's get down to the paper. And what you're getting is 6 double-sided sheets of paper. Get this out of here. And this line, again, like I said, is from Scrapbook, and it's called their Hello Beauty line. And this paper is so pretty. Nice shabby chic paper. Double-sided. And the colors are very pretty. How pretty is that green? I'm not a green person, but I think this is really pretty. Just gorgeous. How about you just put a picture right there, add a few flowers, and this is just done. And I like the thickness of this paper because it does take the mediums well if you're into using, you know, the mediums on your papers. So it's a nice heavy weight of paper. Look at that. It's a little bit grungy too on the B side, so you don't have to worry about it being super feminine. You can get some masculine layouts out of this as well. Just another sheet. You can just drop a photo right in the center, or how about cutting that out and putting that on a canvas or something. There's so many uses with this paper. And then what I also like too is down at the bottom they give you a color chart right there too, like a mood board of your own to use with these papers. So again, this has been our scrapbook kit, and like I said, it's $52, and that includes the US shipping, and it can be found at our website at www.treasurelykits.com. And I didn't mention before, we do have tutorials on our here on our YouTube page for our kits, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and go ahead and like this video and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload a new video. Now we're going to be moving on next to our cards, tags, and more kit. Now we have our cards, tags, and more kit. This kit retails for $42. Again, that does include our US shipping, and again, with international shipping, we have to charge actual shipping. This kit is our more versatile kit. We include stuff some months for cards, some months for tags, some months for more. We've done mini albums, we've done art journals. So this is our fun kit. And this month you can make tags, you can make cards. We didn't include cardstock. People have a personal preference with cardstock, I find. So let's get into it. First of all, we've got these really fun glittery leaves and berries in a nice pretty green, and these are from Prima. Actually, all of our flowers and all of our kits are from Prima this month. And we don't leave out the flowers on our cards, tags, and more kit. And we've also got these little pink and mint flowers from their Magic Love line. Really pretty. We've got some chipboard from Treasurely. These are one of our flower sets that are also kind of like borders. They're bigger flowers. Let me take one out for you so you can see the glare. Give you an idea of how big that is with the palm of my hand. This will also be on our blog and linked to the store, but you can find this in the store under Chipboard, under Nature, and you'll see a couple of different flower sets there. We've also got some little metal charms, and these are dragonflies, and you get 9 pieces. They're cute to put on cards or tags with a little piece of wire or a piece of string or twine or something like that. And then also you've got some cutouts for your cards or tags, and you've got several sheets of these. You've got some leaves, you've got some twigs here, You've got some roses. You've got some wreaths and some labels. So some really pretty butterflies. And these are from the Rose Wine collection from Paper Heaven. We've got some more leaves. We've got some more flowers and more flowers. And if you're into fussy cutting, this would be perfect. How about fussy cutting some of these flowers, some of these bigger flowers, some of these leaves and some butterflies, and maybe one of these labels, and making a really pretty card, and then go ahead and adding some of these dragonflies to it and a couple little small flowers. Nice quick project. And for the paper for cards or for your mini album, you've got this full pack of rose wine paper to coordinate with your cutouts. And again, this is from Paper Heaven. Keep wanting to say Paper Haven, but it's such pretty paper. So you've got, how many sheets do we get in here? 8 sheets. So got that. How pretty. I did not separate this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just really pretty paper. And this paper is double-sided. I'll go back through and show you the other sides because I'm not flipping it over. I'm not doing a very good job here today, am I? Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. All right, let's see the back sides of those. You've got your solids on the back side here that are very pretty. You could still make some really nice summary cards from these. And I like the fact that the back side is solid. I could use that as a base of a card or the base of a tag, and then use my more graphic side for the front of the card or tag. So that's everything from our cards, tags, and more kit. And again, this can be found, whatever's left over from our subscribers getting theirs, then the rest will be on our website at www.trejoliekit.com. So head on over and check us out, and then make sure you subscribe to our newsletter, because on reveal day we do send out a newsletter with a link to purchase whatever's left over as well there too. So we'll be right back with our mixed media kit. Okay, last but definitely not least is our mixed media kit. Our mixed media kit is another standalone kit. You don't have to get anything else. You can subscribe just to the mixed media kit, and it is ready to use right out of the box, because we always include a project. But this is also about building up your mediums. Lots of times I've done projects and videos, and I've gone back to past mixed medium kits and grabbed some of the mediums. So let's get started with the mediums in this kit. First up, we've got how many ounces are in here? What does it say? We've got some Prima texture paste, and this is in white sand. Oh, so you've got 2 ounces of this in white sand, and it's texture paste. Lots of fun to work with. There'll be a video on how to use this. We've also got, and we've had quite a few of these Lindy sprays, but this time we've got some of the flat Fabios, meaning these are just color. There is no shimmer to these at all. So we've got a flat Fabio in Tweedledee denim, which is a nice navy blue. We've also got a Caribbean blue, which is a light, nice tealy turquoise blue. And then we've also got Sidewalk Chalk, which is a pure white. And again, these have no sparkle to them. Now, as for the project, we've got a couple of things. First off, we've got a 5x7 deep edge canvas. So it's a canvas, but it's a lot thicker. It's got a deeper edge. This one I think is like 1 inch. Normally the other ones are probably like half of that. And I got the deep edge because I had a project in mind, so you'll probably see that on the video. So if you flip it over, you can see how much deeper it is. It almost looks like a shadow box from behind. The front end, you got your canvas. It's already gessoed and everything, and it's ready to go. We've also got, I believe this is 6 inches of chicken wire, and just please be careful on the edges if you haven't gotten your kit already, because the edges are sharp and you could kind of get poked. But you've got 6 inches of chicken wire on that. You've also got a pack of Prima flowers, and there's 12 pieces in here. There's some flowers and berries and leaves, and this is a nice blue color as well. And then you've got a pack of pearls in a couple of different sizes as well to help you go ahead and create a project with this. And so this is our mixed media kit. There will be videos, one, if you've never used Lindy's or haven't seen our other videos on how to fill these and how to use these, because as you see, they come empty, and you have to fill these with water and let them sit. Not a hard process at all, but want to make sure that you do it right and you're happy with the process. And then I'll be using the texture paste and creating a project with this. I have something in mind, and I'm hoping that it turns out well. So this mixed media kit retails for $47. Yes, shipping included, US only. I know I keep saying that, but I just want to make sure that everybody's clear. International shipping, we do have to charge international shipping. If you purchase this and you're international, yes, you'll get it'll charge you for the $12, and what I'll do is I'll invoice you for the difference in shipping once I put in the weight, because it is all done by weight. So that's how it's done. But this is our last kit. Thank you for watching. Again, our website is www.treasureleakits.com. Come on over and visit us. Our designers post their projects during the month on our blog, and they post tutorials. They do picture tutorials. We do videos. So again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell and click all so you're notified every time we upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.